Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you want to swap your face using AI, so this video for you. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how you can swap your photos using AI, and it's completely free. So you will get each and every day free credits. So don't need to sign up, just upload your photos and swap your favorite characters. So if you are watching first time, don't forget to subscribe. I make videos how we can make money online, how we can start freelancing journey, how we can start YouTube, and so many AI tools that gonna help you in your online career. Okay, so let's get started. For first thing first, we'll be using AI. So it's the AI tools, and you will see my credits 7. That's mean each and every day you will get credits. So I had 8 credits already, I used one. And here you can see the face swap section, photo face swap. So click on that and you will see this page, AI face swap. So I will show you how you can do this. It's very easy, just within a few seconds you can grab your amazing photos, face swap. Okay, so step number 1, upload the face photo. That means select the photo face tab and upload the photo whose face you want to keep in the final image. Okay, so if you have your friends or family photos face, so you can use it. Also you can use different kind of photos. All right, and the second step is upload a target photo. That's mean the next upload the photo you want to swap face one. Okay, that's mean this face will be replaced, the rest of the photo will remain unchanged in the output. And the third step is generate the face swap. Click the generate button and in a second you will have a seamlessly face swapped photo. AI face swap, I can see add face. Okay, so you have to upload your photos. So I'm going to download my favorite actor Brad Pitt photos. Okay, so just click on that and I'm going to download this image. Okay, so image is downloaded, done. So let's upload the image. So click on add a space and it will upload it over there. Okay, here you can see our image is finally uploaded. So our first step is done. Our next step is we have to select the image that you want to faces, and the second step is we have to select the template. That's mean which picture or which face we want to swap on. Okay, so there are multiple images over there. So here you can see different kind of models and angels over there. Okay, so I'm going to choose, I think that this one is perfect, and this is pretty similar to Brad Pitt. I'm not sure, guys. So okay, so let's try the another one, and this one is a cowboy, and that one is a, and this one is Pirates of the Caribbean. Okay, so I think there are huge guards images over there. Wow, so lots of images out there. Oh my god, so here you can see Spider-Man and the Iron Man, also Spider-Man. Okay, so I think, wow, here you can see the Donald Trump. So if I swap with Donald Trump, how it's look like? Okay, so can I try? Okay, so let's click on Donald Trump and that would be our original image. Okay, so let's click on generate. All right, so Q1, wait 9 seconds. So let's see how they create. Guys, I'm really excited how they create the image. I don't know, and I'm really happy to see different kind of characters over there. Okay, it's really amazing, and there are so many my favorite actors over there. Wow, so guys, our video is ready. Let's check it out. Okay, so it's totally different. It's amazing, guys. Okay, so it's same like Donald Trump, coats, pants, ties, and the hairstyle, and the face is how they swap this. Okay, okay guys, so if you want to download this, maybe you can download from there. And here you can see if you want to download HD image, so maybe you have to subscribe. Okay, okay guys, it's a fun project, so don't mind please. Okay, so now I am going to try with my own photos. Okay, all right, so this is my image and I'm going to select which one should I try. I think that this one. Okay, it's pretty amazing. Okay, all right guys, so click on that and let's click on generate. So here you can see, guys, and if I generate this, maybe our credits would be 5. Okay, so click on generate. Wow, have a look. I am really surprised to see these guys try this outguru.ai, and look at this image. It's perfectly swapped the face. It's amazing. If I want to download this image, so I'm just going to click on save image as. Here we go, the downloaded images. Wow, it's really amazing. So this is my real photo, guys, and they just swap this image with this. Okay, so I think you can try different characters, different templates. It's so many characters and templates over there. So which one do you like? Just comment below. You can try different celebrities images, movie characters, also different kind of girls character over there. So here you can see the Christmas girls. Okay, so I don't know, there looks like very angel. Okay guys, so no more today. I'm going to pause this video, and if you enjoy this video, please comment below and try this artguru.ai. And if you want to watch more videos like this, so don't forget to subscribe. So till then, have a good day. Tata, bye bye.